Hello children, how are you? And hope all your family are fine and safe. My dear children, stay home and stay safe. Yes? Now, without delaying, let us go to our topic in class 1 English, lesson 7, a shop in the ship. What is the lesson name children? A shop in the ship. Okay, before going to the lesson, let us learn some SH sound words. What children? Sound words. See children here, see on the screen, SH sound words. See SH, she. SH we are pronouncing no children. Sh sound we are pronouncing no. So this is SH sound word. SHE, she. Next one, SHEEP, sheep. Here also we are pronouncing sh. Next, SHEET, sheet. SH we are pronouncing. Next, SHIRT, shirt. Next one, SHUT, shut. Next word, SHELL, shell. Next one, SHOE, shoe. Next one, SHOOT, shoot. Yes, children. Now, SHOUT, shout. Here also, we are pronouncing SH, sh sound word. Next, SHOP, shop. Next, SHOW, show. Next one, SHORE, shore. Next one, SHOCK, shock. Next one, SHED, shed. Yes. Next one, SHELL, shell. SH, sh. We are pronouncing no children? Sh. We are pronouncing no? Like that. SHELF, shelf. Next one, SHY, shy. Next one, SHINE, shine. Next one, BUSH, bush. Next one, PUSH, push. Shh. Like that we are pronouncing no? These are SH sound words. Sound words. All of you understood children? Okay. Now in this lesson some new words are there. See children. What is the first one? Tell me. JUMP. What children? JUMP. 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 Jump means children. Suppose see children, who jumps from tree to tree? Can anyone tell? Yes, you are correct Kanna. Monkey. A monkey jumps from tree to tree. Very good. So that is called jumping. Monkey jumps from tree to tree, no children? Yes, that is jumping. Like that, next word is shed. SHED, shed. It means a simple roofed structure used for storage. Generally, see children, sheds we found in farms. Easily you can understand, no? Shed means we found in farms only. Yes, in agriculture farms we can see these farms. Yes, the sheds. Sheds we found in farms. A cow lives in a shed. A cow lives in a shed. Where does it live? Cow. Cow lives in a shed. So that is shed, no children? Yes. So SHED, shed. Shed means here it is what it is? Cow. Cow's house. Okay. A cow lives in a shed. Generally where we can find the sheds? In farms only. in farms, in agriculture farms. FORMS, farms, in agricultural farms. Next word is rushes. 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 What is the next word, children? Rushes. 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 Rushes means to run fast. Running fast. Now we will start the lesson. Shall we go, children? We will start the lesson. See, children. See on the screen. First para. Shelly is on the seashore. Shelly wears red shoes. The polish shines on the shoes. Shelly washes 3 shells. Shiva wears a green shirt. Yes, children, this is first para. As we can see in the picture that there is a girl. Yes, children, there is a girl and there is a boy, no, children? Here, there is a girl. Her name is, come on, tell me. What is her name? Shelly. 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 Yes. So, Shelly, it is a noun. Yes, children. Names, no, children. Name of a person, we can say that it is a noun. Shelly. Yes, she is a girl. Shelly. Yes, she is on the seashore. Where is she? She is on the seashore. Seashore means, can anyone tell, children? You know very well seashore. In holidays and in summer holidays and generally Sundays like that we are going, no, we are going and enjoying in that place. Yes, beach. Seashore means what, children? Sea beach. Yes? Yes, like that here also Shelly, she is on the seashore. Yes? Shelly wears red shoes. See, children, see on the screen. She wears red shoes, no? And the polish is shining on her shoes. See, very shining. Her shoes are very shining. Why? Because she polished her shoes. She wears red shoes and the polish is shining on her shoes. And Shelly is washing 3 shells. What does she do there? What is she doing? Yes, she is washing 3 shells. Shells. Yes. Yes, shell means you know, no, children. In Telugu, we are calling as gavalu. Yes. So like that, say she is washing 3 shells. She found shells in the seashore and that shells she is washing. And see, children, on the screen, there is a boy also. Yes, Shelly and boy also is there on the screen. See, his name is Shiva. What is his name? Shiva. Yes, his name is Shiva and he wears a green shirt. See, children, see his shirt, green color, no, children? He wears a green shirt. Yes? Understood, children? First para. Now, we will go to second para. There is a big ship in the sea. Big ship is there, no, children? There is a big ship in the sea. Shiva shouts, stop, stop. Shelly shows the red shawl. See, that is second para. See, children, so the children see a big ship in the sea and Shiva shouts, stop, stop. What is the meaning of this, children? Second para. So the children see a big ship in the sea and Shiva shouts, stop, stop, ship, stop, stop. Shelly has a red shawl. She has a red shawl, no? In her hand, she has a red shawl. So, she shows the red shawl. What she was doing? She shows the red shawl. Okay, now, children? She shows the red shawl. Now, Next para, Shelly and Shiva are now in the shape. See children, third para, Shelly and Shiva are now in the ship. This is a fish shop. The shop is in the ship. The fish shop is not shut. Yes children, this is the third para. Shelly and Shiva are now in the ship. This is a fish shop. The shop is in the ship. The fish shop is not shut. Yes, it is not shut. See children here, the fish shop is not shut. Now both the children are in the ship and there is a fish in, yes, there is a fish shop in the ship. Yes children, there is a fish shop in the ship and the fish shop is opened. Yes children, the fish shop is opened, no children? Yes, he is selling fish. The fisherman is selling fish in the fish shop. Yes, it is opened, it is not shut. Now, next see children, see next picture. There is a fish in a dish. What children? There is a fish in a dish. Shiva touches the fish. So, yes children, in the fish shop there is a fish in the dish. And what Shiva does? Children, tell me what Shiva does. Shiva touches the fish. What he was doing? He touches the fish. See on the screen children, what Shiva is doing? Yes, he touches the fish and the fish jumps out of the dish. See children, and the fish, what the fish, see children, he touches the fish and the fish jumps out of the dish. Yes, suddenly the fish jumps out of the dish. So therefore, Shelly rushes to the shed. Suddenly, she got frightened. Hare Bapre, here what happened? Suddenly, the fish jumps out of the dish, no. So, therefore, Shelly rushes to the dish. Shelly rushes to the dish. Gosh! The fish jumps out of the dish. Gosh! G-O-S-H, gosh! S sound is there, no children? Gosh! The fish jumps out of the dish. Yes, the fish jumps out of the dish. Then Shelly rushes to the shed. Yes, yes, see the picture children. Last para, Shelly rushes to the shed. Why she rushes to the shed? Because the fish jumps out of the dish, no children. Because of that, Shelly rushes to the shed. Yes children, Shelly rushes to the shed. This is the end of the lesson. See children, you have to see here before lesson I gave some SH sound words, no children. So that all SH sound words you have to learn and write one time. This is your homework. Okay children, as well as once again you read the lesson. Yes children, if you have any doubt, you ask your mama or your dad. Okay children, learn and write SH sound words one time. This is your homework. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.